everyone, welcome back to Smart Science Hub. Today we're doing activity 1.3 from our grade 8 science textbook, and we're going to see yeast come alive. We're going to watch microorganisms work their magic right in front of us. Let's get started. Make sure your water is warm, about 40 degrees Celsius. That's like warm bath water, not too hot. Okay, step 1. I'm going to dissolve 2 teaspoons of sugar into 200 milliliters of warm water. Let me measure out 2 teaspoons of sugar, and now I'll add it to the warm water in my beaker. Now stir it well until all the sugar dissolves. You want to make sure there are no sugar crystals left. Keep stirring. Perfect. The solution should look clear. Now comes the star of our experiment, yeast. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of yeast into our sugar solution. 1 teaspoon of yeast, and let's add it in. See how it floats on top at first? Give it a gentle stir to mix it in. The solution might look a bit cloudy now. That's perfectly normal. Now we need to leave this mixture for about 20 minutes. But first, let me pour this into our bottle. There we go. Now the important part, I'm going to attach this balloon to the mouth of the bottle. Make sure it's on tight so no gas can escape. Nice and secure. Now we wait for 20 minutes. While we're waiting, the yeast is getting busy. It's feeding on the sugar and starting to produce gas. Let's see what happens. Wow, look at this. After 20 minutes, check out what happened. Our balloon has inflated. Let me show you the comparison. This is how it looked before, and this is how it looks now. The balloon is filled with gas. But what gas is it? It's carbon dioxide, produced by the yeast. Look at the solution inside. You can see it's bubbling. The mixture has also become warm. Feel the bottle. It's noticeably warmer than when we started. Now, if you very carefully waft the air toward your nose, never put your nose directly over the opening, you can smell something. That's the odor of alcohol, specifically ethyl alcohol, which the yeast produces along with carbon dioxide. So what just happened here? Let me explain. When we mix the sugar and yeast in warm water, the yeast started feeding on the sugar. This process is called fermentation. During fermentation, yeast produces 2 things. First, carbon dioxide gas, which inflated our balloon, and second, ethyl alcohol, which we can smell. The solution also became warm because fermentation releases energy in the form of heat. You know what? This is exactly what happens when you make bread. When bakers add yeast to dough, the yeast produces carbon dioxide gas. That gas gets trapped in the dough and creates air pockets, making the bread rise and become fluffy. The ethyl alcohol evaporates when the bread is baked, so you don't taste it in the final product. Pretty amazing, right? These tiny microorganisms, so small we can't even see them, are powerful enough to inflate a balloon and make our bread rise. And that's activity 1.3. We've successfully demonstrated microbial activity using yeast. We saw how yeast ferments sugar to produce carbon dioxide and alcohol, and we literally watched it happen with our inflated balloon. This simple experiment shows us that microorganisms are living things that carry out activities just like larger organisms. They eat, they produce waste, they generate energy. The difference is they're just too small to see without a microscope. Thanks for watching Smart Science Hub. Try this experiment at home. It's safe, easy, and super cool to watch. If you do it, let me know your results in the comments. Did your balloon inflate? How big did it get? I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science experiments. Stay curious and see you next time.